What do you think of handbags as a niche? So handbags are an interesting niche. One thing I would say of handbags is don't sell copyrighted products. Avoid that. We want to go for longevity here. I teach longevity purely because, like, trust me, it will be way fucking better. You don't want to have stores constantly suspended. You want to have stores that last a long time. Like the boys upstairs at this event that I've been speaking to for the past 3 hours, the Etsy Kings boys, they have multiple stores. They're all like, yeah, I want to quit my 9 to 5. I want to have longevity. I want to have freedom. They were talking about moving to Bali, potentially even moving Bali together with other Etsy Kings members. So you want to have longevity. This will give you a happier life. So don't do the copyright stuff. In terms of actually selling handbags, I think it's a good niche. Yeah. Females love handbags. It's a decent average order value, maybe 30, 40, 50. It's good, strong, nice margins. One thing I would say is a bit bulkier. So be aware that shipping is going to be a bit expensive. Your margins might not be as good as obviously jewelry where it's very small. But I think as a general rule, handbags is a good niche.